Hello everyone, Bethany here. Today I have a special unboxing from Bellaartdenicole. This is going to be their special edition Calico Hairy Diamond Painting Stackable Drill Trays. No, they're not hairy. That is the name of their late guinea pig who passed away. And so they did this tray set in honor of him, which is just the sweetest thing. Now, before I get into it, I'm gonna read from their Instagram concerning this set, because the color, they're three colors, and which trays they go to are random. So there's gonna be two smalls and a large. I don't know which colors are gonna be which. So this is what they say about this listing. It says, "Celebrate the life of our friend and little helper Harry the guinea pig. He recently passed, and in his memory, we are releasing this limited edition set that includes a little 3D printed guinea pig. The colors will be in random order, and each set you purchase, up to 3, will have a different variation of the colors. The colors include black, copper, and white." So these are the colors of sweet little Harry, and I'm excited to see which colors I get, which one's going to be my large and which ones are going to be my small, and I'm excited to see this cute little guinea pig that they included in here. So let's have a look. Ooh, I can see what I got. So it looks like for the small ones, I got a copper and a white, and I got a black for the large, which is totally awesome. I actually didn't have oh my goodness, look! This is so cute! It's a little black guinea pig in, looks like the galaxy black, because you can see the little sparkles. Oh my goodness. That's adorable. This would be great as a cover minder, which is what a lot of people have used theirs for. For me, I kind of want to use it for board games, because I think that would be a great little game token piece. I love it. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. All right. So I have my white tray. Love it. I have a copper tray. It's a little bit shiny. Love it. And I have large black. Love it. That is so cute. You know what didn't come in this is a business card. Totally fine, because I have more than enough of those. But that's interesting. Oh my gosh, this is so cute and so precious. And what a great way to honor a loved one. If you want to see some drills poured into these and how it works, go ahead and check out one of my other Bellaartdenicole videos. Most of them I test them out and show, but a few of them I've skipped because you guys have seen that a lot of times. And with that, I'm going to end this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Little Harry has a little fuzzy bit of 3D printing material. Makes it look like he's actually hairy. Aw, precious guy. Before I get too silly, thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.